I'm Derek Watt, fullback for the Pittsburgh Steelers.
And I'm TJ Watt, linebacker for the Pittsburgh Steelers.
And this is Home Fridge Advantage. Here we've got some milk, regular and chocolate.
Tomatoes,
Applesauce,
butter, some eggs.
Strawberries I use every single day. I know TJ does as well with our oatmeal. We've got cheese in the drawer here.
If I knew how to deep fry and make a cheese curd as good as they do back home, I'd be making them as we speak. But we can't, and that's what makes going home back to Wisconsin so special. I like to dip them in marinara sauce. I know some people think that's sacrilegious.
I like to dip them in ketchup. Yogurt is also another staple for us. It's a great way to add flavor to a drink or just eat it by itself. And the fridge MVP goes to milk.
Milk is huge.
The benefits of it, the protein, tastes good, it's packed with nutrition. We loved it with all our meals, and we still do today.
See more episodes at usdairy.com.